how to schedule Reels on Instagram. If you want to post a Reel at a later time without having to do it manually, Instagram lets you schedule it in advance. This is useful if you want to stay consistent with your posts or if you're managing content for different time zones. To get started, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. If you don't see the professional dashboard at the top of your profile, that means you don't have a professional account. You need a professional account to schedule Reels, but switching is easy and free. To switch, tap on the three-line menu at the top right. Scroll down and select Account Type and Tools. Then tap Switch to Professional Account. Follow the on-screen instructions, select Creator as your account type, and tap Next to complete the setup. Once your professional account is ready, tap Exit to return to your profile. Now, you'll see the professional dashboard at the top. This means you're ready to schedule your Reel. To create your Reel, tap on the plus button at the bottom center and select Reel. Choose a video or photo from your gallery, then tap Next. Edit your Reel as usual by adding music, effects, or captions. Keep tapping Next until you reach the final screen before posting. On this screen, scroll down and tap More Options. Here, you'll find the option to schedule this Reel. Turn it on, then select the date and time you want your Reel to be posted. After that, tap Back and then tap Schedule. Your Reel is now set to be posted automatically at the chosen time. That's how to schedule Reels on Instagram.